Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fine right here. I've got an awesome short video for you today. I am replacing my Memphis Shade windshield that you see right here. And I've been using this Memphis Shade for a while, and I actually really like this Memphis Shade. It's got a nice lip up here, and it eliminates a lot of the wind buffeting that happens. However, when I'm on the highway for a long time, especially at high speeds, I'm looking for a bit more protection. One of my buddies, Moto Mike, ordered a Klockwerks 6.5 inch on his Street Glide, and I thought it looked really nice on his bike. I thought it was the right height. I thought it was the right color tint. So I ordered it, and I'm going to install it now on this bike and see how it looks. So I'm going to switch that out right now. I'm going to show you the process here real quick, which is super easy. There's probably 1,000 videos on this online. And then as always, I'll take you out for a ride and show you the before and after. Well, this is the before. I'll show you the after actually when I'm riding it, and then I'll give you my overall impressions of the new windshield. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you now, and frankly there's not much. It's just pulling the windshield out of the box, but there's just something about unboxing that I like, so I'm going to show you that, and then we're going to go out for a ride. So if you're new to the channel, on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, product reviews, upgrades like we're doing right now on my 2020 Sand Dune CVO that you see right here. So if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Also remember to hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. And remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future updates. So let's jump right in and show you that unboxing here real quick. We'll do the quick removal and then install of the new windshield, and then we'll go for a ride. All right, let's see what this looks like here. That looks pretty nice. It's pretty sweet. All right, let's see what it looks like on the bike. Show you here from the side. See how much bigger that is? That's really all I was looking for, because it was protecting me a lot already. So this should do the trick, but again, I'll take you out for a ride and let you know what I think. Let me remove that here real quick. There's the original one. Let's take this thing off. Nice. Alright, so that's what it looks like in the front. Alright, let's take it for a quick spin so you can see what it looks like here. Let me know down in the comments below, do you like this one better than the Memphis Shades? I'm not sure. I'm still not convinced. This one comes back a bit more than the Memphis Shade does. It also has that curve, and you can see it's a bit blurry here. So I'll be interested to see what that looks like on the videos. Again, I'm not going to use this all the time, only when I'm going to do mainly highway riding. I think I like the way the Memphis Shades look, a bit lower. Again, it's preference more than anything else. So let's take it for a spin. I can't really tell the difference at this speed. It's actually starting to rain a little bit, so I'm gonna have to cut it short here. But more than anything else, I wanted to show you what it looked like afterwards. Let me know down in the comments below. When I take it out on the highway, I'll give you my overall impressions in a future ride. But for now, I mean, I think it looks cool. Based just on looks, I think I like my my Memphis shades better. But let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Starting to rain, so I'm gonna cut it short here. That's gonna do it for this short video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as the channel continues to grow. Also, remember to hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. And remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.